It's time for chicken marsala. Although I'm actually making chicken port because I like port better than Marsala wine. If you don't have Marsala wine, you can use a dry white wine like a Chardonnay, but I prefer port. I think it tastes better. I cut one chicken breast in half and salt and peppered and dredged it in flour, and then I did the same with some chicken thighs because that's what Jack and Chelsea like. They get laid in here, and then they get browned, maybe 3 at a time. You don't want to overcrowd it because the browning takes longer and they're not as tasty if you do that. Once that's all done, we'll move on from there. Okay, the chicken is browned. Put onto a clean plate, and I'm melting a little bit of actually real butter. First time I used it, I can't believe it's not butter, but I don't think it works as well when you're sauteing vegetables because there's a lot of water in it, and vegetables already release a lot of water. So, get that warm. I'm adding 1 entire onion chopped up. Sliced, and I like it sliced really thick. When you have chicken marsala, it's basically just a plain chicken dish, so you need a lot of help from the vegetables. So in this case, thickly sliced onion, 5 cloves of garlic, and I sliced up about 10 or 11 really big bella mushrooms because I like them kind of thick and I like a whole bunch of them. So that's going to cook probably 4 or 5 minutes. You want it cooked down just a little bit. Alright, this is cooked down quite a bit. So, we're going to add our chicken back into the pot. Obviously, you could just dump it all in. And kind of arrange them so they're not all stacked up on top of each other. And to that, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of chicken stock and a 1/2 cup, of port. At this point, you could add your Marsala wine instead of your port. And then the lid goes on, and it gets set to about 7 minutes. And then you let it naturally release. Don't quick release the button. However long it takes for the pin to drop, let that happen. Alright, it's had a natural release, and I took the lid off and took the chicken out, and it's just falling apart. So now you're going to put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into 1 tablespoon of water and stir that up really good. Bring this to a boil on the saute button and stir that in and get it nice and thick. So I brought it to a boil, and what I did was I mixed a little cornstarch and water with a little bit of the broth, and I've whisked that up till it's really pretty smooth. And that's just going to get put right in. And then you're going to whisk that up pretty good. You want to get it going fast because it thickens. It thickens pretty fast. See, it's already making it super thick. And then you're going to add your chicken right back in and serve it over rice. And this is thick and tasty chicken marsala made with pork.